Hi everyone, this is Fred from White Rose Hobbies. I want to show you real quick on the NCE Power Cab or Pro Cab throttle how to clean the contacts. If it's not responding properly when you push the buttons, you got to push them hard or whatever. You need to clean the backs of the contacts off, and I'll show you how to do that. There are 9. I've already taken the screws out just to make this easier, but there are 9 screws that you take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You take those out, and then you can take off the back, and this is what you see. The whole control board, essentially. Now, when you pull this out, you have to be careful not to mess up the potentiometer, which is that wheel right there, this wheel. So you just pull it out. Be careful of that, like I'm saying. You turn it over, and now you take a pencil eraser. I didn't bring my pencil with me. But you make sure only the eraser part of the pencil gets on these contacts here. And you'll see it almost like what looks like a finger pin on the board. I just cleaned this one off. So you can see these are much cleaner. So also what I do is I take this piece off here. Sorry about that. And just brush it off. I brush off the interior of the front part of the throttle, and that's the other side. Just make sure that's all nice and clean. I mean, a couple of these buttons look like they need to get, maybe I'll do that beforehand. I'll use some cleaner to clean those off so you don't look so dirty. And then it's just a matter of, putting this back in place. But make sure, once again, that the most important thing is that you don't use any metal parts on these contacts here. So then all you do is, once again, just take it, put the board back in place, put the lid on, and you're back in operation. So really easy to do, and it really makes a big difference. I was having trouble with especially with the enter button, and now that all works really well. So just thought I'd give you a little how-to on cleaning these throttles from NCE. So good luck on it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me at White Rose. I'm here Thursday through Saturday. So take care. Bye. Okay, so I have the buttons cleaned off. This is still a little bit dirty, but much better than it was. And I also want to make sure that you understand and to reiterate that when you're cleaning the contacts on the back, make sure you don't scratch them at all. The rubber pencil eraser will work well. Actually, it works better if you have a dedicated pencil eraser that doesn't have a pencil attached to it. So if you do that, the throttle should work just perfectly after you're done. And, hope this is some help to you. So once again, take care, everyone.